Hello guys, good morning. Good morning India. Good morning guys, you can hear me? Guys, please just tell me that can you hear me properly? Good morning India. I'm sorry guys, I'm late. I'm really very sorry. There was some issue with my Wi-Fi which is going on right now. I don't know, suddenly it just like 7:55. At 7:55 it was showing that your internet is not connected to the Wi-Fi. And I was shocked. So anyways, no issues. Good morning Akansha, good morning Sharda. Good morning Pooja. Even I am Marwadi Pooja. So good morning Devil. आप डेविल के पीछे, हम आपके पीछे, क्या बात है, टू मच फन. गुड मॉर्निंग धृति, गुड मॉर्निंग रानी, गुड मॉर्निंग शंभवी, सुजल, जतिन. भाई तुसी ग्रेट हो, नागपुर के हो ना तुम. प्रवीण शियाल गुड मॉर्निंग. अपने आप को भी श्रीनाथ राठी क्लासेस गुड मॉर्निंग. विजय वर्मा गुड मॉर्निंग. नीलेश गुड मॉर्निंग. रौनक गुड मॉर्निंग. सौम्या, शांभवी, Sujal, Sharda, everyone, good morning. So it's a pretty cool morning today. बहुत ही शानदार वाली मॉर्निंग है. तो अपने को इस शानदार वाली मॉर्निंग को और अच्छा बनाना है. We have to make this good morning a very good morning. So how to do this is by a quick revision of what we studied. Guys, just a second. को क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा? Why it is showing Windows? क्या हो रहा है भाई ये? Just a second guys. Yes. चलो. Yes. Sir, what did we study the day before yesterday and yesterday? Sir, let's rock. Yes, Ronak, let's rock. So sir, we have completed what is demand, what is law of demand and assumptions for law of demand. Sir, we also completed with exceptions for law of demand. Am I right guys? Yes sir, you are right. You are never wrong. So what is demand? Sir, demand is not only desire but also ability to pay and willingness to buy. So demand is measured in quantity, place and time. So then what is law of demand? Sir, ceteris paribus means other things remaining constant. If my price increases, demand decreases, and if my price decreases, demand increases. There was a hero called as Babu Boshai. As price increases, demand decreases. As price decreases, demand increases. So you have to remember like this. Okay. Sir, we know sir, law of demand, you made us study in such a beautiful way that we can never forget in our life. है ना guys? Correct है ना? हाँ? Okay. चलो. Then we studied the assumptions for law of demand and also exceptions for law of demand. Now, good morning Parak, you are late beta. Janat, good morning. Harsh, good morning. चलो. Sharda, okay. So. Dhriti, you were present yesterday in class, right? Dhriti, you were present yesterday in the class, right? If I am not wrong, you were present. Sir, you are never wrong. Yes, sir, I was present. You were present na? Comment करके बता बेटा. Tell me, you were present, right? I'm not getting any response. I think there is some issue with my. Yes, so Dhriti was present. So Dhriti, what did we understood yesterday? Sir, we understood law of demand. Now what happened? Once Srinath sir said Dhriti, law of demand, she went to her mamu, not father, she went to her mamu, mother's brother, and she said, Mamu, my sir said me, if price decreases, demand increases. So we have our business now, mamu. So what we have to do? We have to lesser our price, so that people will buy more. Who said? Dhriti said. Now once Dhriti said to her mamu, ki mamu, we have to decrease our price, people will tend to buy more. What mamu did? Wow, Dhriti, you are superb. You solved my solution. Now my products will be more in the market. Who said? Mamu said. To whom? Dhriti. Now, once Dhriti said to the mamu, if we want to increase our product, if we want to increase the sale of our product, we have to lesser the price. She said about law of demand. She said about law of demand. But mamu asked her, by how much should I reduce? Now that is the question which is also running in Dhriti's mind. Sir said me the price should be down so that my demand will be more. But by how much? ये तो sir ने बताया ही नहीं. This to sir didn't even teach us. Now what to do? Now mamu is also in tension. Dhriti is also in tension. Now what to do? When sir didn't tell by how much, again the next day, that is today, Dhriti came to the sir and asked, Sir, you said us all the assumptions, all the exceptions. And today, sir, you tell me only one thing, kitne se. In Hindi we say kitne se. That means by how much? By how much my price to be changed. That means it is nothing but the sensitivity of your price. We are talking about the change in your price. And when she asked her, sir is going to teach her elasticity. What I am going to teach? Comment and tell elasticity. What I am going to teach? Elasticity. Guys, please repeat it with me. What I am going to teach? Elasticity. What? Elasticity. Now sir, what is this elasticity, sir? Please explain us. What is this elasticity? Elasticity is nothing but by how much my price will change. By how much my price will change. Means sir, in economics, the demand elasticity refers to how the sensitivity for a demand for a good is required. Means by how much? The question of the fact which is lying here is, now Dhriti is asking Srinath sir, you said me price to be down so the demand will be more. That is law of demand. Other things, everything constant, sir. I trust you. But tell me by how much? Now Srinath sir is teaching her elasticity. He is teaching by how much will be known by elasticity. Because demand elasticity, elasticity of demand is the responsiveness, is the change of the quantity demanded of a commodity to the change in price. Means here today we are going to learn if my price changes by some amount, then what will be my quantity demanded change. Means for example, if my price is decreased from 10 to 8, first 100 were the purchasers, now 120. But how it is possible? How this 20 increased? Because of the change in 2 rupees of my price. But sir, is it necessary to change nearly there? It can also increase 50 also, no sir. For that reason, we are going to study elasticity of demand to find out by how much, kitne se, by how much will be my responsiveness, by how much will be my change of quantity demanded with a change in price. Okay guys, so in our syllabus, for the elasticity of demand, the price elasticity is there, the income elasticity is there, the price elasticity is there, the income elasticity is there, and the cross elasticity is there. Now what are this? If you really first try to understand, the degree to which the effective, wow, kya baat hai, very good Janar. Now elasticity, here we are going to study about the price elasticity, then we have the income elasticity, then we have the cross elasticity. Guys, trust me, if you know one elasticity perfectly, the other two are very easy to find out. Except this also, there are few ways of finding of elasticity: total expenditure method, midpoint method, etc. So firstly, if we closely notice, we will find only one thing, that all the three are the factors: price, income and cross. Cross is nothing but related goods. Cross, price of the related goods changed, the demand for the original good also will change, that is cross elastic. We will learn in detail, not an issue. Chalo, let's start. Yes sir, let's start. The very first point is price elasticity. Now what is price elasticity, sir? Why are we studying this? The price elasticity of demand is the response of the quantity demanded to the change in the price of a commodity. Means what, sir? Means please try to make me understand it clearly. See what he is telling in price elasticity. Elasticity is responsiveness, that means change. So here he is telling price is something that is affecting demand. So sir, this something is nothing but everything right now, because it is only affecting the demand. Correct, Anna? So can I say this is the base affecting demand? Because of this only demand is affecting. Correct, Anna? Now see, when we say price is the basis affecting demand, we can say that this is our formula. Price is the basis affecting demand. It is in the base, so take it as basis. So price is the base which is affecting demand. But sir, please try to make me understand one more thing. But when we are finding change, is demand by price will give me my elasticity? No. We have to calculate change in demand by change in price. Correct hai na beta? Correct hai na? Are you understanding? Why? Because we are calculating kitne se. That means by how much? By how much, how will we get? Sir, we will get it by change in demand. Correct hai na? See, if my price was 10 rupees earlier, 8 rupees now, and my demand was 120 earlier, 160 now. Now, what is my change in demand? My change in demand is 40. Correct hai na? But how this 40? What I have done? Sir, new demand minus old demand. Correct hai na? Are you trying to understand? How do we calculate the change? Sir, new minus old, we will get the difference. That is the change. Correct hai na? So, new demand minus old demand by new price minus old price. This is correct. Okay. But sir, elasticity, you are telling only one thing, sir. Change, okay. But how much change, sir? Change is 40 in the demand, 2 rupees in the price. But by how much it is changing? Please tell me. But what percentage it is changing? Correct, Anna? So what we have to do, we cannot conclude this as the final formula. What we have to do, for elasticity, we have to calculate percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. So now, sir, how do we calculate percentage? See, who is your favorite cricketer? Sujal? Sujal, who is your favorite cricketer, beta? You tell me your favorite cricketer. Till that time, I'll write the change in demand formula. Change in demand, new demand minus old demand. New price minus old price. Sujal, bolo beta. Who is your favorite cricketer? Who is Sujal's favorite cricketer? So Dhriti, who is your favorite? Akansha, who is your favorite cricketer, beta? He is not answering. So you answer me. Who is your favorite cricketer? अरे कोई तो आंसर कर दो. Sujal is telling Sachin. Okay, Sujal, not an issue. If Sachin scores 100 in the first match, okay, Sujal, you got to answer. If Sachin score 100 in the first match and 150 in the second match, by what percentage, if I am calculating in percentage, by what percentage his runs is increasing? Please tell me. Tell me, Sujal, come on. Akansha, Virat, even my favorite. Tell me, tell me only one thing. By what percentage is my demand changing? If Sachin scores 100 in the first match and in the second match 150, by what percentage he is scoring more runs? Please tell me by what percentage he is scoring more runs. Come on, come on. You guys can answer, yaar. You have such a beautiful brains. Jatin, Virat, first match he is scoring 100, second match he is scoring 150. By what percentage he is increasing his number of 50? Adesh is telling 50. How did he get 50? Sir, new runs is 150 minus old runs is 100 divided by old runs. Correct, na? Because we are taking something in base. From the base only we calculate the percentage. Correct hai? Into 100, sir. Then only you will get the percentage. How, sir? Sir, new runs minus old runs. That is the change. By something. By what is that something? That is your old runs only. Why, sir? Why only old runs? Because you are finding the change. See, if from here I am walking till 1 kilometer, how will I find that it is 1 kilometer? I have to see from where I have started. So old runs should be seen, old steps should be seen to calculate how much. So 50 by 100 into 100, 100 cancel, and that is 50%. Correct, hai na? So in the same way, beta, in the same way, new demand minus old demand by old demand into 100 whole divided by new price minus old price by old price into 100. 100, swaha. 100, swaha. So what will be the price elasticity formula, beta? Sir, new demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price. Correct hai? Correct hai? Do you have any doubt, guys? Did you really like how we derived the formula? Because see, till intermediate we only rectified the formulas, but now we are into a professional course, and for the lifetime, if you really want to remember the change formula, elasticity formula, you got to know why it came. So why it came, once we'll revise. Sir, we are seeing price elasticity. So in price elasticity, what happens, sir? Sir, because of my price, my demand is getting affected. So price is the base which is affecting demand. Correct, hai na? So price in the base, demand in the numerator, demand by price. But what we are calculating, sir? By how much? How much? Correct, hai na? So change in demand by change in price. But sir, if we really want to know the change, we have to know it in percentage. Correct, hai na? So to know it into percentage, what we will do? Sir, percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. So what is the formula? At your places, shout loud. Everyone should know that you are studying. Shout loud and say, new demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price into 100 swaha. Chalo, again with me, you should shout loud and say, because everyone's good morning should be with a change, because we are studying a change. So anyone who is sleeping right now, or your family should know that yes, in the early morning my son, my daughter is such an energetic form, and there is a change in her after joining us. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. New demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price into 100 into 100. Swaha. Are you guys telling with me? Are you guys telling with me? If we are really studying, we have to study with enjoyment. And enjoyment comes when we are into the subject. I don't think so you guys are telling with me. Okay, so let's keep a contest here. You all have my Insta ID, right? This is my Insta ID. Srinath Reddy official. चलो आज दुनिया को बताते हैं. We'll show the world we are learning the change. So if you are really doing it, take a video of yourself. Take a video of yourself with the formula with fluency. Okay, and a screenshot of from where you are studying. Okay, so even people will join us. मेरी भी थोड़ी बहुत marketing हो जाती है. Okay, I am just joking. Yes, Jatin, I'll give you. So, one last time, what is price elasticity? But you got to understand what is price elasticity first. Sir, what is price elasticity? Sir, because of my price, there is change in demand. Correct, na? My quantity demand is changing. Because of whom it is changing? Sir, price. So, price should be in the base and demand should be in the numerator. बच्चा समझ आ रहा है? You are understanding? Price should be in the base and demand should be in the numerator. But sir, we are studying elasticity. By how much? What is the response? So change in demand by change in price. Okay sir. But sir, by how much is always known in percentages. Correct hai na? So percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. So what is percentage change in demand and percentage change in price? Sir, new demand. 1, 2, 3, go. New demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price into 100 into 100. Swaha. Guys, swaha. Okay. So really, if you are learning like this, you will never forget the formulas. You have to know कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया क्या formula. From where did the formula come? Why are we studying and how to interpret? If you know these three things, you can do anything in your life. There is no guru required for you. You are only the world guru. If you know who is he, why are we studying? Means any formula. Who is he? Why that formula came? Why are we studying? These two things and how to interpret the formula. These three things. If you know these three things, anything is easy in your life. Okay guys? चलो लाइक ठोक दो यार. अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक ठोक दो. अच्छा नहीं लगा तो डिसलाइक ठोक दो यार. Not an issue. So note down the formula. Note down this formula in your book. Price elasticity formula. Swaha. I said like button. Akansha. Jatin, I'll give you one short notes. Okay? After all our every sessions, I'll give you one short notes. And before exams, when you are writing mock test, I'll be trying to cover more than 1,500 questions nearly in all your chapters. I'll be trying to cover 1,500 to 1,200 to 1,500 questions. Your module questions, 7 to 8 mock tests. 3 to compulsory mock tests are there. We are planning for 7 to 8. Then you will be having chapter wise test series. So don't worry, everything will be done perfectly beta. Not an issue. Okay ना? डरना मना है, पढ़ना गुनाह नहीं है, पढ़ना अच्छा है. ठीक है? Are you all clear with the price elasticity formula? Correct है? Okay. Guys, Shall we, you tell me, shall we first, now this two, if you know this, these two are chiller, very easy. Shall we complete this and practice sums, or shall we practice price elasticity sums first? Tell me. Chalo. Now what will be the formula for income elasticity? We'll complete it very easy, it will be done. Income elasticity. Now what is the factor, sir? Now you will only answer me. What is the factor affecting demand? Sir, because of my income is something income is something. Beta, Akansha, we'll practice questions definitely, but what I'm telling, once we'll complete income and cross, 2 minutes mein ho jayega. It will be done very fast, because once you know price, everything is easy. Everything is easy. So income is something because of which my demand is affecting. Correct hai? Correct hai na beta? Income is something because of which my demand is affecting. Now sir, what is something? Income is something. So income is base. Income is the base. So my demand by my income is denoted by Y. So but what we are calculating, sir? Income elasticity. So what it will come? Sir, change in demand by change in income. But sir, by how much? By how much is my demand affecting? Sir, don't shout, we are understanding. Okay, so by how much my demand is affecting? Percentage change in demand by percentage change in income. Correct? Yes. So what will be the formula? Sir, new demand minus old demand by old demand into 100 whole divided by new income minus old income by old income into 100. 100, swaha. How chiller it is, see? Till 11th and 12th standard, we didn't understood elasticity only, sir. Correct hai na? I am 1000% sure no one understood. But see, it is chiller. I said na, who is if we know? Why are we studying if we know? Everything is easy. Everything is easy. Okay? Correct hai? Yes, sir. Are you guys clear with this? It's nothing. Because of my income, my demand is changing. So income is the base. Correct hai na? Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? Guys, note this down. Come on, fatafat note this down. Guys, is my light proper on the back? Am I not able to see this? Are you guys clear with this? I'm not getting the messages. Yes, sir. There is some issue here. shit. Guys, is my light clear? Yes, okay. Chalo. Sir, now we know the price elasticity and income elasticity. Now, sir, let's practice some questions, then we'll go for cross elasticity. Okay, chalo. Now, see, sir, first one note point which should be noted. Unless otherwise specified, we have to always calculate price elasticity only. In the question, if he just gives you the amounts and everything, unless otherwise specified to calculate income or cross, you have to go for price elasticity only. Okay guys, clear hai? Okay sir, clear hai. Chalo. Now sir, question number 1, price quantity. First price was 10, then it came to 20. Quantity demanded was, when it was 10, the quantity demanded was 100 and it is 50. First you have to see whether there is law of demand. Yes, it is there. As the price increases, demand decreases. Calculate price elasticity. Answer me fast. Calculate price elasticity. Who will answer? I think I have to see in this phone. I am not getting chats in my phone. And Sujal is saying 10. Only Sujal got answer. Rasika is telling 10. Anuradha is telling 0.5. See, let's calculate. So what is your new demand? What is your new demand? We have the formula, sir. New demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by, so new price minus old price by old price into 100 into 100 swaha ho gaya. Correct hai na? Now what is the new demand? New demand is 50. 50 minus 100 by 100 whole divided by new price. What is the new price? New price minus old price. 20 minus 10 by 10. What is the answer? Minus 50 by 100 by 10 by 10. Correct? 10 cancel. Minus 50 by 100. Minus 1 by 2, which is minus 0.5. Who got the answer? Minus 0.5. Ashish Punya, very good beta. Anuradha, very good beta. Super. Shruti, very good. So guys, who all got 10, what wrong you did? Just check. Just check what wrong you did. See the answer and check whether what mistake you have done. What mistake you have done. Because if we learn from our mistakes, we are doing our best. Are you guys clear with the answer? You all got this answer? Yes, Sujal, very good beta. Chalo, I'll give you one more question. This is 0.5. Price is 10, demand is 20. Sorry, price is 20 and 20, demand is 10. Answer this beta. No. Let's change the question. Price is okay. Come on, answer me this second question. Let's see who answers first. Come on, come on. Make in India. Who is answering? I'm waiting for your answer. Anuradha says 3. Let's see, let's see. Ashish Punya says -2. He can be correct. Sujal says 2. Akansha 2. Let me get few more answers. Chalo, I am giving you last 20 seconds. Let's see. -0.3 Somya says. Chalo, let's see. Sir, new demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price. So what is 100 by 100? Okay, correct है. Then -5 by 15. Correct है ना? हाँ. So the answer is this one. 1 by -1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by -1 by 3, which is equal to -3. Calculate. I don't have the calculator. That is -3. Who all got -3 as the answer? Shruti super. Soumya beta, why did you do this mistake? Pooja super beta. Rani super. Ashish क्या गलती करा बेटा, एक बार चेक करना. Devil why -1 बेटा? See, new demand minus formula जब अपने सामने है, this is old and this is new. Price, this is price and this is quantity demanded. When we have the formula also, we know the formula. Why are we going wrong? Just check once. You understood the formula, right? The answer is -3. Chalo, one more sum we'll give and we'll see. Question number 3. Who will answer? बेटा ये बार सही आना चाहिए. You take 1 minute extra. It's okay बेटा. Not an issue आशीष. गलती करने से इंसान सीखता है. The person who fails at the first will never fail again in his life. Okay? So please, but don't fail in your CSET exams. Fail here if you want. Okay? Our sir said fail, then only your life is successful. Don't say this. Come on, come on. Come on, we should consider minus in price. We should. Why you will consider minus beta? That is -1 by 3 na. That is the formula. New price minus old price. New price is how much? 10. So it is reducing, right? Old was 15. By 15, by old. Correct na? You will get in minus. I'll tell you. After this sum, I'll tell you. What is elasticity? Don't worry. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Again, different answers. Let's solve it. Not an issue. Sir, formula. Sir, new minus old. Directly will substitute. New demand minus old demand by old demand whole divided by new price minus old price by old price. 100 by 100 by 0 by 0 by 10. 0 by 10 is 0. So 1 by 0 is 1 by 0 is 0. Tell me fast. The answer is infinite. Anything by 0. What is the answer beta? What is the answer? Who will say me? Infinite or 0? चलो अभी भी बोलो. Answer. I am waiting for you guys. Anything by 0 is what? You guys should tell me. Come on. Come on. Anything by 0 is. Just tell me. Anything by 0 is what? Sir, anything by 0 is undefined and it is infinite. It is 0 by anything is 0, but anything by 0 is undefined. We don't know by how much we are dividing it. Correct, na? So it is infinite. Are you guys clear? Sir, here you may be having question whether law of demand applies because there is no change in price. Correct. But my demand increased. So here we are taking an assumption that without any change in price, my price change is 0, but there is a change in my demand. So here also we are taking an assumption the law of demand is not applicable. Every law is incomplete. Every law is incomplete. This also someday some economist will take it out. No issues. Sir, but everything what we are noticing, we are getting as minus. This will also be minus only, but it is 0, so nothing. 0 can be both positive and negative. Correct, Anna? So what is this minus, sir? This is coefficient of elasticity. Coefficient of elasticity. So if they ask you in the question what is the coefficient of price elasticity, you have to answer minus 0.5 only. If they give you a question, the same question if they give you and they give you option 0.5 minus 0.5, B, A is 0.5, C is both, D is none. What you will answer? If they ask you coefficient of elasticity, you have to take minus 0.5, and if they ask you price elasticity, ignore the minus and give 0.5. Sir, what you are telling? If they ask you coefficient of elasticity, write minus 0.5, and if they ask you price elasticity, you have to write 0.5. Sir, why like this, sir? Because coefficient, this minus is denoting coefficient, but change is always positive. How, sir? See, my price changed down, my demand increased. There is an inverse relation. Always you will get the answer in negative. Always you will get the answer in negative because of the inverse relationship. Okay, guys? Okay, shall I give you 2-3 sums as homework? चलो homework करो, मुझे Instagram करो या मुझे WhatsApp करो, but homework should be done. Okay, so homework questions. I want these questions, beta. Please request. Okay, when I am doing some hard work, even you should do. ठीक है? Question number 1 in homework. These 3 are your homework questions, and I want both coefficient and price elasticity. Okay, beta? Did you, sir, your Insta ID please? ठीक है ना बेटा? Do you guys think you learned something new today? You enjoyed the session? If you really enjoyed the session, please tell me. See, I won't take any extra efforts to do something, but I will be more motivated if you feel ki I really made you understand things. Just tell me about how was the experience with us in the last 3 days. For the next 2 days also we'll be giving the demo. You can download our app, or you can visit the website BML Lectures, or you can see the link in the group if you are added in the group, and you can join us. The earlier you join, the earlier you reserve your seat. If you really loved our classes, respond in the group, respond in the BML group that you love the classes, post it at your Insta, so that the other people who are doing CSET will get to know what is happening in India. India is doing good. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you guys. Take care. Ankita ma'am will be here by 9:05. She will take the class. 9:05 she will be there, and then 10 o'clock the logical Guruji, the one and only the logical person in India. Everyone is logical, but he is above everyone. The logical Guruji will be here exactly at 10 then. Then after that the mathematician Jatin Diemla sir will be there. So guys, stay tuned, learn, enjoy, and Jai Hind. Sujal, comment it on my Insta so that I'll show the world, and even you show the world ki yes, something different is going on. Ashish, I need answers on my WhatsApp or Insta. Anything where you can give me. Not an issue, beta. Take care guys. Bye bye. See ya. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Jaya 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 hai, Jaya hai. सितारों की महफिल. Ashish, I don't know the answers, beta. You have to